Hi, Lucia. So when you get to your session feedback, you will see these links in your feedback under overall feedback. And this is what I was talking about. You open this up and you will see a document eventually. There it is. I'm going to make it bigger so you can see it better. The first page is only the topics that will be covered and the objectives. And then this is the page that most of your colleagues really like. So these blue links, this is what I mean by blue links. If you were to do both of these blue links, it would take you approximately 20 minutes. So this is organized by 20-minute increments each day. Even all of those would take about 20 minutes. Now, these that are not linked are on your REACH program, which is on your phone. The app that's on your phone, and if they do not count towards making you achieve a new level, but they do count towards your overall hours. So the reason they have these listed here is that whatever you learn in these blue link will be put into practice on your REACH program. So that's why they're listed. They are not necessary. They are not mandatory. These are mandatory if you want to achieve a new level. So as you see, they are blue. So I click on that and it automatically takes me to the appropriate exercise. And that's it.